Hello, good morning. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I am working in my mini composition art journal, and I'm just going to start out with a layer of pink paint. I just wanted to use pink. It's not a color that I normally use. Usually I mix it with other colors, but sometimes it's great to use colors that you don't normally use. So this is just an apple barrel pink, and I'm going to go into the other side of the page with just washi tape, and I'm just going to stick it down. I have a ton of washi tape, so I'd like to find creative ways to do it, and I thought, well, let's make like a little collage of washi tape since I have so much of it. So you'll see that I'm going to go in and just add lots of pieces of washi tape. I'm actually going to do both spreads, but I'm going to make each page a little bit different but kind of go together, if that makes sense. I like to challenge myself to do that. To sometimes I'll even use the same materials and purposely make things look different. So I'm just going to keep working, keep layering up that washi tape. I decided to pick black, white, and gold and whatever pink washi tape that I had. So it's really fun, and I just made it go in all different ways. You'll see that I'm going to add some white paint, but there wasn't enough contrast because washi tape is a little bit transparent, so I add some black paint, and then I'm gonna doodle on top, and you'll see what I'm gonna do with the other little page. So I will let you watch the video. I hope that you enjoy it. Please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. If this is your first time here, welcome. We're happy to have you, and I will see you guys for the next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.